Welcome along to the Palace Pompar rides. Okay, so what we're going to try and do is set up the Sena 50C, and we're going to try and record that audio from here onto this, which is the new Insta360 Ace Pro. We're going to get that all set up and we're going to see how it works. I'll give it a quick try. Okay, so this is where we're going to start. First things first, we are going to turn on the Sena.
Hello. Battery level is high.
Hold the jog wheel.
Group intercom. Phone connect. Intercom pairing. Configuration menu.
And you get into configuration menu, move the jog wheel.
Delete all pairings.
Delete all your pairings. That's all. Everything's gone. Make sure Bluetooth's turned off on your phone if you normally connect it, and your sat nav is turned off as well. Right? So there's nothing set up at the moment. So we're going to put the Sena into pairing mode.
Phone pairing.
So it's in phone pairing now, keeping your finger pressed on the P button at the back. It's flashing away. We're going to go to the Insta and hit the look for devices in the settings, choose the AirPod setting. It should be searching now and find, all be well, Desert 50C. Click on that. Bluetooth headphones connected. Happy days. We go back.
Your headset is paired.
Headset is paired. Awesome. So now, if we start a recording on there, put the camera on, put the headset on like this, it should all be good, and then we should be able to, so that's coming through from there, and then if I camera on,
Recording.
so that's no recording using the 50C. That's still recording, and that should still be using this audio. So if I lean right over here and I talk very, very quietly, that should be that. And that is how you set up the Sena 50C with the Insta Ace Pro. Now it is supposed to work the same for the X3, right? But it's not doing, and I have just done a firmware update, so I need to run it again and see. But that is it. Simple as that. However, you can't have a remote connected to the device. You can't have your phone connected to this device. I doubt whether you can have your Garmin connected to this device. It'd be interesting to see if I can do it using the Garmin. But hey ho, we'll find out, won't we? Shall we try? Maybe we should.
Recording stopped.
Recording stopped. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and I'll play with this a lot more. Anything you need, stick it in the comments. Any suggestions, any ideas, how you got around it, let me know. Until then, I'll see you on the road.